Short grooves. All right, let's start with the snare. We're going to play 16th notes. That's 1 E and a, 2 E and a. Every time we say and, we're going to play an accent. And on the last beat, when we say E, we'll also play an accent. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1. If you're having trouble playing those accents and taps, I've got a section on my Better Hands course completely dedicated to accents and taps. Check that out. We're going to play the kick on every quarter note. So every time we say 1, 2, 3, and 4, we play the kick. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1. We're going to play the hi-hat every time we say and. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Let's add the kick back in. 4 E, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E. And the snare part. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Make sure to count. Play it slower if you need to. Just work out each line.